No, you listen.
No, you listen. I was a better girlfriend than you, and you never done none for him.
Girl, come out of my face.
Girl, listen this. Me wash, cook, and clean for him.
Congratulations, maid. And that's your proud of?
Will you just call me?
Maid.
Hey, come out of my face.
Come out of my face.
Wifey walk out and matey stand up. Yo, and I'm not gonna believe the excitement we're going between Charnelle and our matey. Yo, it was wild as alright? But before I tell you the story, who not placing the bets them pan? I put 5 grand on the matey.
So when you matey are forward?
Don't bother with it.
I'm sorry, your ex-matey.
So tonight, I'm confronting my ex's side chick because I want answers, not because I care about him.
I think Charnelle is crazy for even doing this. Why you even a meet her at my yard?
Just in case me have to beat a girl.
So you can't beat the girl at your yard?
Girl, they know catch, not with my landlord.
What area too? You want 2 boxes, you just might get them.
But wait, how would a girl there?
I can't believe you're even doing this.
What you mean?
You and the guy break up, like, why are you doing this?
I just want to know.
No, what exactly?
I don't expect Shantae to get it because she's not a man. I just want to know what he was doing with this girl.
When you done break up and left, so all of this just unnecessary.
Girl, I just need closure.
Child, bye.
Yeah, I want to see the girl too.
Let me see her. I see this.
She's same one. She feel one of them manatee.
She looks. I'm trying to be a good person, so no comment.
Come to think of it, you know say she no favor manatee them? Me I disrespect the manatee them. Sorry, a manatee.
Maybe it's the picture.
Can you imagine? Him cheat on a doll with this. Look for me to this. What a ugly piece of girl.
This not in well at all.
It will once the girl know her place. Remember say I'm the wife in another scenario, yeah?
You mean the ex-wife?
Who for said it upon?
Charnelle is delusional. But I'm just going to enjoy the show.
Wife a wife, mate a mate. Wait, I say song though.
Hey, yo, Theo, no good again, you know.
Now where you a go?
Yeah, Mr. Shoya.
No, wanna take my life for one piece of joke.
You take your life for a joke.
Anyways, how was your Rising Star audition?
Freaky girl of them girl let me love. Freaky woman of them girl let me love. Me never see something when me love so. Every time me my get soaked.
You want to try something else? Let me just be honest. I don't like the song and I don't like your voice.
Yo, the suck. Honestly, the judges, the show, the production, the producer, them, the network, everybody. Them people that don't know talent. Man, a star. That's why nobody can bust off of that the show. They call them do recognize talent. Them.
Okay. Good night. This girl though. Like what?
Nice.
Wow. I not too like the vibes at all. I regret coming here. This awkward but I'm not telling a lie. So what you thinking they're gonna be? This girl might be as dumb as Charnelle. I didn't even think that it's possible. But here we are.
Let's get straight to the point. Why you start talking to my man? You never see me in a relationship?
She not offer me no juice, no water. She just ready for getting it. First of all, me never know who you be.
What you mean you never know who me be?
I thought your man was single.
How could you ever think that? The whole Jamaica knows that I'm my man. But they're all over him page. When you see him, you see me. When you see me, you see him next to me.
Yeah, girl. Oh my God. Well, you never next to him the day him approach me. But it come in peace, you know. But if I war the girl want, bring it on. You sound pressed.
No, sweetie, I'm blessed and highly favored.
Okay then, anyways, me never know you.
That's a lie, but continue. What a girl? Big and careless.
Girl, me never know who you beef. Me didn't know who you be more with the boy in the first place. Me have moral and standards.
Girl, morals, standards.
You need a dictionary? Me know you're slow enough. Me know.
Girl is a professional side chick. What kind of morals and standards you could have?
Listen, me never come for this. Are you call for meet with me? Remember?
Fine, continue.
Anyways, I'm sorry say this to you. I know you're sad and lonely.
Huh? Me don't need you to feel sorry for me and me to feel sorry for you. For the face you walk around with.
Your man never have a problem with it though. Sorry, your ex-man.
Look at you, if you have a manatee.
Bitterness don't cute.
It's cuter than you do.
You're not tired?
No, I'm full of energy.
Yeah, I think it might be my time to exit.
Your man never said that though.
It's right there, sir. You just expose yourself.
When I expose myself with a weeks after I know about you.
Weeks after, are you still take the boy?
When I do miss after I know you, I don't owe you no loyalty. Plus the boy did nice bad.
Oh, okay.
The boy spend for me, him even make me eat lobster.
Me allergic to basic bitch. Girl, relax. Him buy my car, him buy my house.
I wonder which car and house man buy for Charnelle.
Why you even meet her at my yard?
Just in case me have to beat a girl.
So you can't beat the girl at your yard?
Girl, they know catch me, not with my landlord. But anyways, were you pregnant for him?
What?
Did you breed for the boy? Since I'm talking a your language.
Well, that I never me. The boy did give me and you born. You see your man wicked? Girl, I can't relate to your pain because he betrayed me too. Oh, you have to cheat on a side chick. That makes sense?
Dear, don't you ever compare me to you. What a girl? Bright.
Listen.
No, you listen.
No, you listen. I was a better girlfriend than you and you never done nothing for him.
Girl, come out of my face.
Girl, listen this. Me wash, cook and clean for him.
Congratulations, maid. And that's your brother?
Will you just call me?
Maid.
Hey, come out of my face.
Come
Hear me
out
tell you?
of my
Come
face.
out of my face. Hear me tell you?
Look at that.
Oh.
Congratulations, maid.
How will you call me a girl? I never want to reach us, so you know, I throw the girl pint up her hand in my face, my head get chip.
You can't call me. Come out of my
I'm
face.
gonna come out your face. Where you going to
Yeah, girl, just come out of my face.
Alright, let's stop. So, me did that eavesdrop, you know. And me I hear all this commotion between Charnelle and her side chick. And me I say, no man. Me have to step into that real quick. Wanna stop, you know. Yo, I dead, you know. You know so serious, man.
Me no know
That
what
girl,
you're
chat
trying
too
to
much, you know.
Hey girl!
Who do you think would have won the fight?
Definitely the matey, honestly. You see, me never get in between the two of them. Charnelle would have get dust. Charnelle would have definitely get dust. The matey probably could have even beat all me too. And you like what I just said? Well, click the subscribe button for more videos, more entertainment, more bashment, you see me? So like, share, do what you want to do with the video. Alright? Peace.